Hi everyone. Finally ready to show an update on the 70 series project. This is the third video on it since we've been restoring it. Just haven't had the time to upload it earlier, but yeah, just to show where it stands now. So yeah, in my last video I think I'd shown that we were about to take the body off and bring it down to the frame and then start working on that and send the body in for body work and paint work. So the body is ready. We were working on the frame, which is also ready now, and just want to quickly take you through it. So yeah, you can see that we got rid of the old 13 BT engine and replaced it with this inline 6-cylinder 1LZ FE with an auto transmission. This engine was in great shape, so we didn't touch it too much, just cleaned it up a little bit and mounted it on. We had to, of course, change the mounting positions to accommodate a longer gearbox and also for the engine. Other than that, pretty much changed everything, you know, crosses, bolts, clips, brake lines. Actually, we changed everything in the brakes because the brakes on this thing were pretty bad. So yeah, the load balancing sensor, the lines, everything inside of here, it's all gone and been replaced by new stuff. Same for the front. Change the rotors, change the calipers. It's got an old man EMU suspension now with nitro charger sport shocks, greasable shackles. The differentials were in good shape, so we didn't have to do much to it, just service them, change any bearings that needed to be replaced and put it back together, change all the steering components. What else? So yeah, it's looking pretty neat now. And of course, the best part of this vehicle are the wheels. These were specially picked by the customer and they look pretty nice. These are 285/65 R17s. We didn't want to go higher than 17 on this car. So yeah, next step is we're going to start mounting the body, which is ready. I'll show that probably in the next video. But yeah, just wanted to share this with everyone, and I'll make a full video of this. Well, I call it a restomod project once the whole thing is ready, where I'll show everything from start to finish. But for now, this is just a quick update. So it's turning out quite nice, and we think it's going to be a real beast once it's ready. So thanks for watching, and we'll keep you updated on the progress. Thank you. Bye bye.